Good day and welcome. Today I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Office Practice Past Question 1. The filing can be best defined as a systematic dash A. Arrangement of documents for easy retrieval. B. Arrangement of secret documents for the secretary's usage. C. Keeping of items for public consumption. D. Storage of files to prevent accessibility. And E. Storage of records for accounting purpose. Now before we can pick this, let's just simply define filing. And like you know, filing is a term used in or is a process in business or in use in the office. Like we carry out these processes in the office. It's very important. Now filing simply refers to the word filing refers to the process of arranging and storing records, that is all office records, so that these records can be located when required. So they can be located where required. In other words, it simply means what? It simply means keeping. It simply means what? Keeping documents. Keeping documents in a safe place. Keeping documents in a safe place and being able to find them easily and quickly. So that's what filing means. It's a process of arranging and storing records, documents, so that they can be easily located when required, so that when these documents are needed, it will be easy for them to be retrieved. Keeping these documents in a safe place. That is what filing means. Now the question says we should look for the option that best would define the word filing. And if you look at what we've defined here, option A here says arrangement of documents for easy retrieval. Option B here says arrangement of secret documents for the secretary usage. No. Option C here says keeping of items for public consumption. No. D here says storage of files to prevent accessibility. No. The purpose of storing this file is for easy retrieval. And E says storage of records for accounting purpose. Not just for accounting purpose alone. It's just for the main aim is for easy retrieval. So option A here is the correct answer. That is the best definition for filing. Arrangement of documents, records for easy retrieval. Because it is mandatory that every organization has an organized documents. So filing helps us to organize these documents for easy retrieval. So option A is the correct answer to this question. Thank you very much and God bless you, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.